Welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, please subscribe to join the family.
So today guys, we'll be showing you, well sis will be showing you how we make our sweet chili / buffalo wings. So we'll jump right into it. See you in a jiffy.
So basically we're showing you this because this is like our favorite go-to like meal, like if we just quickly want something to eat, whether it be lunch, dinner, whatever, we just want a snack. So I'm just going to show you all the stuff that we're using.
Sweet chili sauce, spring onions, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, salt. We have the Frank's red hot wings buffalo sauce, and of course wings. So I've put the oil on to get hot, and in the meantime I'm just going to season the wings with the seasoning. You can put this in any order that you like. The only seasoning that we're not using are the sauces and the spring onions. We're just going to go right ahead and mix those seasoning in. Okay. You can let the seasoning sit in for however long you'd like. After that, you're going to go ahead and put the wings in the oil. Okay, so make sure that the oil is up. Make sure that your wings are underneath the oil so that they can cook properly. So we're going to leave them to fry for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can put the cover on. If you put the cover on, it might be a bit quicker, like maybe 10 minutes. Okay, so after they're nice and golden and you're satisfied that they're cooked, you're just going to take them out of the pot, which is what we're doing now. And we've just put in a strainer so all that oil can drain off. Alternatively, you could put them in the oven to bake and then do the sauce. So for the sweet chili wings, we're just going to go ahead and pour the sweet chili sauce into the hot pan. And then we're just going to leave it to simmer and get thick and just bubble. Okay, once it's gotten thick, then we'll add the wings. Okay, so once the sauce is nice and thick and bubbling, we're just going to go ahead and add the wings. Okay, this is just so that the sauce is going to be sticky on the wings and it's just going to have that nice consistency and it's just going to be yum. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and mix those wings into the sauce so we can, you know, get this going. And then I just go ahead and sprinkle some garnish on that. You know, being in lockdown, I just want to feel like I'm at a restaurant or something. I'm sorry. So for the buffalo wings, we're already going to have the wings in the pot and we're just going to go right ahead and throw that sauce on it. And we're just going to mix that through. Add as much sauce as you'd like because the sauce is really spicy. So add how much you can manage because it's really, really hot. And then we just have this nice, gorgeous, scrumptious wings. Oh!
So guys, we're back with the final product. You know, what do y'all think? Let us know if you all want us to make anything else. To like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay? If one day you're this long, I'm gonna need to subscribe. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.